Builders of new homes in California are choosing low-maintenance front yard landscapes, making traditional lawns rare. When lawns are present, homeowners can manage them with a simple reel mower. This shift has caused a decline in curb appeal. In this video, I share a cost-effective way to enhance curb appeal and add a personal touch. The client wanted to widen the driveway, add a walkway from the street, and replace existing plants with resilient, low-maintenance varieties. Check the description for the plant selections and other design features. What are your favorite sun-loving plants? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the channel. To keep these videos coming, please like and subscribe.